welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today we're going to do a fall decorate with me. So we don't do a whole lot of decorating for fall, but we do a little bit, so I was going to show you what I'm doing for this year. We're going to go ahead and decorate the house, and if you haven't already seen it, I will link a video up above that was a shop with me at Hobby Lobby in Kirkland's, where you'll see some of the things that we got from that haul. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so these are some of the things that I'm working with. I think I'm gonna go ahead and work on my table centerpiece first. So I'm just gonna use this tobacco basket, and I'm just gonna try to put together a centerpiece that I can use for my kitchen table. So I'm probably going to put this little cream colored pumpkin in the center and then just try to put some other things around it. I just have to figure out exactly what I want to do with this though. I want to use a couple of these. Since I really am not sure exactly what I want, I'm just gonna leave all the tags on here until I figure it out, and then that way anything that I don't want to use, I can just take back to Hobby Lobby. So I had the table arrangement close to what I wanted, but I wanted some filler stuff, so I decided to take this larger piece and just kind of disassemble it and use the smaller pieces to fill in. Yellow flowers in here, and I just took those out and put this fall arrangement in. I got this from Hobby Lobby, but it was the same original container. Set that on the mantle. And I'm gonna replace the bless sign with the give thanks. Okay, this is my entryway. I'm just going to replace this pillow with a fall pillow. And then on my sectional, I'm just going to replace that center pillow that says gather with this one that has pumpkins. Okay, so I didn't do a whole lot in my living room. I just, I changed out the flowers. In the little galvanized pot, I had a blessed sign on the mantle, and I just replaced that with a wooden give thanks sign. And then down here on the raised hearth, I just added the fall sign that came from Hobby Lobby. And over here on these shelves, I just took out a picture that I had here and just put my Happy Fall Y'all sign, which we had last year, with the copper pumpkin. Thought that looked cute. And here in the kitchen, I just replaced our Eubanks sign with this little thing that we've had since 2015. That was the year that Sophie came home, and that's her little footprint with Katie's handprints, kind of part of Katie's handprint, like the top part, to make a little turkey. We did that year. Katie was 10 and Sophie was 3 that year. And over here at the table, I just put the tobacco basket with the pumpkin arrangement in here. Thought that turned out really well. And then on the wall behind, I put the thankful pumpkin. I used to have this on my door, my front door at my other house, but it's really too big and heavy to go on my door here because it's a glass door. Just afraid it would break it. Okay, and I'm just gonna put the teal pumpkin and the grateful, thankful, blessed sign right here by the coffee pot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Love changes everything.